Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new, welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make a bow with this. This is called a Pro Bow to Hand. You have this piece right here. I don't know what each piece is called individually. I don't had this for a while. You have this piece. It has a little nail right there. And this is where you make your loops. It has all these little holes, so you got so you can make your loops different sizes. And this part is what holds your spool of ribbon, and you can put 3 different spools here. And of course, that doesn't mean you're limited to only using 3 ribbons, because they do have like you can buy another part like with more holes, or you could just have your ribbon off to the side. You don't necessarily have to have that, and you don't necessarily have to have this to make a bow. I started my business doing wreaths, and this is what was easy for me because my hands ain't all that good. You know, I can't be holding no ribbon tight and all that kind of stuff. So this is what I use when I make big bows. So these little things here are called fingers. I definitely know what these are called. So this is what you're going to put in to make your loops. And again, you can put them wherever you want them, however big you want to make your loops. So this is the really small one. I don't even know where my fingers are to go in this one. But I'm making a bow for a gift basket. It was just a gift basket I decided to make at the last minute. So I'm just going to make a small little bow. The longer fingers are the ones that go on this side, and they hold your spool of ribbon. So I'm going to put that one right there. Not sure how many loops I want to make. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think 9 is good. And then you're going to put one in the middle right there. I hope y'all can see this good. So this is the ribbon that I'm using. This is, it has butterflies on it. I got this from Hobby Lobby. It was part of the spring collection. I think I got it when it was 66% off. But I have quite a few of this. No, I think I got it before it was 66, because they never really have a lot of ribbon. They have a lot of other stuff, but they hardly ever have a lot of ribbon. So then I got it when it was maybe 50% off or something. I don't know. Either way, it came from Hobby Lobby. All right. And again, the ribbon just go right here, and you can put it in. You know, I'm just using one, so it doesn't matter which hole I put it in. So typically, when I make my bows for wreaths, I normally use what is that stuff? Floral wire. But since I'm putting this on a gift basket, I'm going to use this Chanel stem. So the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to wrap it around the end of your ribbon. Just put it around there. All right, and so we're going to put it right here. And I'm going to wrap the top part around here. This is just to hold it in place. And I'm going to take this part of the ribbon, this part of the Chanel stem, and I'm going to wrap it around that little nail that's on there. And again, this is just to hold it in place so it doesn't move. All right, and then we just start wrapping our ribbon. So you're just going to go around one finger, and then you always want to pull it tight, and then you flip it. Well, I don't necessarily have to flip the ribbon because it is double-sided, so it's the same on each side. But I just, you know, it's a habit of just flipping it. But every time you pull it around this one, you want to make sure it's tight so none of your loops are loose. If you make a lot of bows, I think maybe it doesn't necessarily have to be this one, but I think if you make a lot of bows, some type of bow maker is probably a good investment. I can't speak for other people that make bows, but I know for me, especially when you're doing multiple ribbon and stuff. Oh my goodness. All right, so I have done all my loops, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this from the bottom that's wrapped around that nail, and I'm going to untwist this one right here, and then I'm just going to twist them together, right? Twist them together, pull it off. Now it look like this. Now, if you're going to make a tail on it, you could do this one of two ways. You could just cut it here, and then you could add the tail at the end. But this is what I like to do, since I'm just making a small little tail. So I probably want it to be like this long, right? So I'm just going to fold it, you know, to the length that I want it. Maybe that's too long. I'm just putting it on a small basket. It's not a big basket. So that might be too long. I think that's a good enough length. So I'm just going to fold it like that. And then I'm just going to take my chenille stem and wrap it around there. Right? And then I can cut my ribbon. So I can cut off my excess piece. And then this is my tail. So it's already folded. So I'm just going to fold it in half like this. And then just cut it, because I'm going to dovetail the end. And of course you don't have to do that. You just do it however you want it. And that's how my ends look. And then now all you're doing is just fluff it. Just fluff it out. Get it how you want it. I tell you what though, this is the hardest part for me, is fluffing a bow. I don't know why, but it's definitely kind of hard to fluff for me anyway. Alright, and there you have your bow. And again, this thing is called Pro Bow to Hand. I'll try to see if I can find a link and put it down in the description. I'll go on Amazon or something. Because like I said, it's been a while since I had this thing. I've probably had it like 7 or 8 years. So I didn't just buy it. So, but I'm pretty sure they still make these. So there you have it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And until next time, y'all have a great one.